everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I would totally appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, click on the little bell, and join me for my YouTube adventures. And don't forget, I'm your girl Bella. Hi guys. Hi my peeps. First and foremost, I would love to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for all the beautiful comments and for watching Monday's video. My mom and I thank you so very much. The prayers and the kind words are so appreciated. More than you'll ever know. More than you'll ever know. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't have anything more to say, but thank you. And I'm so grateful. So grateful for every single one of you out there. Okay, so now, I gotta keep myself busy. I'm trying to keep myself occupied. So I've been doing a little crafting, a little decorating, a little, something. And I'm really trying hard to motivate myself. I went on the shopping spree. I found some stuff that motivated me. And I want to share with you a few little DIY decor things that I did this past week just to kind of, keep out of my funk. So if you're like me and you're in one of these places, I got some good stuff. I did some. One of them I'm like in love with, and I can't wait. I want to go to the thrift store and I want to find more vases and do this to the vases because I think this turned out amazing. Okay, you'll see that in the clips. All the clips are kind of, they're all over the place. I recorded some here and there, so you'll see. I put them all together to music, and I'm going to voice over a little bit to kind of explain. Most of it's self-explanatory, and then we'll do a little, and then I'm going to do a little decorating on top of my fridge, because that's one area that I never did. So yeah, and I want to give a special shout out to all the moms. Being a mother is the hardest yet most rewarding job on the planet. So for all the moms out there, all the stepmoms, all the grandmas that, are moms, or that, have adopted or take care of the children. Okay, y'all, I'm not speaking English all of a sudden, but you know what I mean. So for all the moms out there, all the moms, the dog moms, even the dog moms, I mean, that's, no here nor there. But I was a dog mom and I loved my girls, so I love them. I want to wish you all a very special happy Mother's Day. And to my mom, you know how much I love you. Stay strong. You're strong and you are in God's hands, and you know this, and you know how much I love you. And to my daughter, thank you for blessing me being your mom. So yes, so there you go. Happy Mother's Day, ladies. Okay, let's get into the clips and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hi guys. So here we are, and this is my first little DIY, and this really consists of nothing special. They had these back around Christmas time at the Dollar Tree. And I really like the frames, but I don't want to use the little chalk anymore. And what I want to do is create some of those new looking, moody, antique-y looking sceneries in the little gold frames that they sell everywhere. They're pretty expensive. I mean, Hobby Lobby has some for cheap, but in general they're expensive. So I got myself scrapbook paper, and I just cut it out to size. And I'm going to use that Mod Podge effect where you make brush strokes with your Mod Podge to create a painting looking thing. Okay, so this is my DIY number 2. I'm telling you, I'm all over the place. I had this cutting board from Easter time, and when we went shopping, I saw that black cutting board with the pear on it, and I kind of got an idea I wanted to do this. So I'm going to put lemons on the raised part. And again, this is scrapbook paper. I just need to use a little Mod Podge, y'all. And I'm telling you, I mean, this is not, obviously, this kind of cutting board is not to be used to cut anything on, but you could use it for decor, which you'll see at the near the end of the video. I made a vignette, and you'll see it styled in different ways with my other cutting boards. It really turned out really cute. I popped off those little grommets. By the way, they were just stuck on. They were just glued on. So I popped them off and show you there with a little butter knife. Didn't take much time at all. And then, yeah, and then Mod Podge is on. And the back, I'm going to spray paint it black. And I'm going to use the lemon paper again. Oh, okay. Let's move on. This is my favorite DIY. And you need baking soda. Y'all, I'm obsessed with baking soda. Do you know how many things you could do with baking soda? I don't know why, but I'm so obsessed with baking soda. Anyways, that's a side note. Okay. So I got the vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using Sage, the color Sage, chalk paint from Walmart. I'm pretty sure it's from Walmart. I'm pretty sure I bought it there. I love this color. Now, okay, they say it's sage, but to me it looks like stone. I don't know. To me it looks like stone. Oh, and obviously now the projects have been done. When I finished it with the baking soda and everything, okay, y'all, I don't know how I'm going back and forth. But here we are, okay. So maybe I got my clips mixed up. But anyways, this is real life. Okay, obviously we're back to the cutting board DIY. So I put Mod Podge down, and then you're gonna see me put the paper down, and then a thin layer of Mod Podge on top, and it turned out really cute. And I did I glued back on the little faux grommets, and it's just adorable. It just brings in just the smidge of color in the kitchen. It really makes it look nice. And I'm really big. I really want to get more lemon decor and really go all out in my kitchen. I really want to buy. I'm waiting for my Dollar Tree to bring in the lemon plates that have the blue. Have you seen them? Oh, they're gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. So I spray painted the black, and then I wrote Mom's Kitchen. Well, when I was writing it, I forgot the H. So I had to kind of erase it and start all over again. I mean, on camera it doesn't show, but it does in person. So then I got the bright idea that I was going to paint it. You'll see that in a minute. So now I want to put the lemon down here because I want to use it both ways. And I wanted a little lemon decor down there also. I think it would look cute, right? Now, I'm just placing it, but you got to make sure you get Mod Podge all on every part, or else it'll just peel off and look terrible. And then I do a nice layer on top. And that's it. I mean, these DIYs are so easy. I mean, you can do them while watching TV or, whatever. Anyways, I was just thinking I want to fix the mom's kitchen, the wording. Now, I wonder if I have a clip for it. Well, we'll see. I do. Okay, yeah, I did. I painted it. I freehand painted it. With just regular paint. Just regular old paint. I painted it. I think it made it pop even nicer. And it made the wording look better than that faux chalk pen that I had. So I think this is really nice. It's very nice for Mom's kitchen. And we all know the kitchen belongs to the woman anyways. I know, I'm so I'm so old-fashioned. But it's the truth, y'all. It's, well, in my experience anyways. But I know some men can cook really, really well. But in general, it's Mom's kitchen. Yeah. Okay, my absolute favorite DIY is this. It's this turning something into a clay pot. I mean, I'm sure you've seen this DIY before, but I really wanted to try it for myself and see how I can do it. So what I did is I did one layer of chalk paint, just the paint, and I love the color. The sage really looks like pottery to me. Because I used another color for the lamp that I have, but it wasn't the same. And so I did one, yeah, and then baking soda. And then, here's my thing. I sprinkled on just pure baking soda when it was still wet and tacky. Like a little here, but then a lot, and then a little. Like it was all over the place. It's so random. And I let it dry overnight. I didn't dust off the baking soda, didn't anything. I just let it dry. So wherever it got to, and it just let it dry. Oh, and then here I'm gonna make a little cake stand with the Dollar Tree candle holder and the stove cover with black matte paint. So yeah, that's it. Okay, y'all, I just want to show you the texture after I took I dusted off the baking soda. The texture is so good. It really looks like old pottery. I mean, okay, it's not perfect, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And what I'm going to use to put inside it is this peach stems from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you all have seen these. So I was just showing you the vase, and then I'm going to use these. I love these. Have you guys seen these at Dollar Tree? The peach stems for summer. Oh my, they're beautiful. Now, I bet you could take these out and do a lot of DIYs. And then I'm going to use the ferns from the Dollar Tree also because why not? So I'm going to use 3 ferns. Y'all, this is so easy. Come and show you. So you take your little vase and you put your ferns in first, okay? And then you're going to place them like 1, 2, and 3. So make like a triangle. Okay? So you got lots. So that's your base. I know it doesn't look like much, but trust me. Then you're going to take your stems. You're going to take your stems. I should have tried to put the camera down. And what I did is I got 4. And I'm kind of like bending them on an angle, like all 4 like that. I know, I should film this differently. But I don't have the space to film this differently. Okay, y'all, so we're making do. We are making do. That is our new motto. It doesn't matter as long as we do something cute and we make do. Not everybody lives in a giant house, right? Right? I mean, yeah. Okay. Well, we know. We know. Hold on. I'll show you what it looks like in the final product. And there you go. And there you go. You have a new pottery vase. And you have beautiful peach stems for summer. And some ferns for summer. And I think it looks so cute. I'm going to put this on top of the refrigerator and make a real nice statement. So let's go decorate that. Oh, but let me show you the other vase that I did not put the baking soda on. So this is the other vase, the other Dollar Tree vase. I liked it because of the ribness of it. I thought the rib makes it look really nice, but I really like the color. This one I didn't do the baking soda to. I showed you the difference between this one. You can really see the texture here and this one not. But I like the color, and I'm going to use this in the living room. You'll see it when I style the little paintings that we made. Okay, so here's our paintings done. Now look closely. Do you see the brush strokes? I think these are so cute. Now, if you wanted to take this a step further, which I might in the future, I like this one the most. This one looks really good. Can you see the... Isn't that cute? I know, I've seen other people do it, and I just thought That's adorable. You could put a little antiquing glaze or antique gel around these frames and make them look even more antique. Cottage chic is what the new thing is. Cottage chic. I like cottage chic. I'm chic. I like cottages. I'm making fun of myself, obviously. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decorate the top of my fridge and show you what I did with all the stuff we made. Did I show? And then on the countertop where I'm putting my lemon cutting board, it turned out so cute, y'all. So, so cute. Even the mom's kitchen side, do I love it? I don't love the word. I don't like the way I've written it, but it's fine. It's fine. I have another idea for another cutting board. I'll do that on another video. And then, and yeah, then that's it. And I'll come back and see you right now, right at the end of the video. Hold on. Okay, so here's my first vignette with the DIYs we made. I layered on my cutting boards. I love this look on a kitchen countertop. It makes me so happy. Now remember, this is not for use. It's just for fun. It's just to bring a little color in. And there's the other one. It's so cute. I love the black. It pops. It really does pop. And I love the little plant and the little bird. So adorable. Adorable. And here is where I put the one little painting. And let me show you. And there's the other ones. They look like little paintings, right? They're just on those shelves that I have in the living room. And now let's go and I'll show you the top of the refrigerator because I think it looks really good. So here on top, I just put this big cutting board that says gather on top of my fridge. Then I'm putting my peach arrangement. It looks so cute. I am so obsessed with this vase, y'all. I want to go get so many vases and create a whole bunch of looks like this. Maybe different color ones, different shapes. And I'm adding my little pedestal and a little candle. There you go. So there's my little vignette above my fridge. And I think it turned out really cute. So that was fun, right? I mean, inexpensive, easy peasy, no fuss or muss to it, just fun, little bit of decor. I love those peach stems from the Dollar Tree. Run, y'all, run, get them. But let me show you. I have the lemon ones right here in front of me. And I love the lemon ones also. I love the lemon ones. But the peach are like my fave. Oh, I mean, they're all my fave. Who am I kidding? I like them all. I love florals. I love florals. I really wanted... I didn't have enough time to go to Hobby Lobby and get the florals that I really wanted because I really wanted to make a big Mother's Day arrangement and put it on my island, but that's okay. I didn't have time to do that. Another time. We'll do something for the summer. I have plenty of videos coming up, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm really going to try my very, very best to keep myself occupied and be creative and be with my peeps, y'all here on YouTube. So I want to thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel and just happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella. So hit the subscribe button and join me. Join me on the fun and the adventures because, oh boy, is there going to be a lot of adventures coming up soon. You just wait and see. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Have a blessed and beautiful Mother's Day. And remember, take all that negativity, throw it out the window. Have an amazing, amazing weekend no matter what you do. And I'll see you on Monday. Okay, y'all. See you Monday. Bye, guys. Mwah.